Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So, how are you? So, first of all, I would like to thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So, today's topic is about today's occasion. So, today is Mother's Day. So, every mother, according to me, God made every mother same because every mother contains a lot of love for their child. According to me, if God made a mother for child, then it's a big thing because if we have no mother, then we realize that in our life is unfulfilled. Our mother is not only serve us but also give and teach how to speak in our society and how to live and how to survive our lives in hard time or good time. And we have two mothers. First one who means earth, who save our burden, means who tolerate our burden on earth, or also our mother. Our mother always thought that if my child success in anything, then it's a big thing for me. Our mother always thought that if I did nothing in my life, then it's okay. But if my child can't do anything in her life, then she thought that there's a problem in that thing. Okay? The mother don't say that in that case there's a child mistake. They thought that it's a problem of her because many mothers who is a single mothers means she is a widow. Then they try to educate. She is not educated, but they try to make their child a educated person because she know the value of education now a time. Nowadays, education plays a very important role in every person's life, and without education, we don't have the ability to choose a good or bad things. If we have a ability to choose a good or bad thing, that time we don't blind in anything. Then it is love or trust and anything. If we don't know how to choose a good way or a good things, then we tolerate the everything which is not good in our life. When the Mother's Day, every day is special for every mother. But in Mother's Day in foreign countries, people celebrate it. Many years ago, this day is not celebrated in India. But now every people celebrated Mother's Day, Father's Day, and means of many days. But in the motive of celebrating this day in other countries means many people who are busy in that works, so they don't collect together and they don't have an opportunity to sit together and eat and talk anyone means everybody in family. So that's why they make a day for that days. Means in Mother's Day they gave time to their mothers, and in Father's Day they gave time and they join us the lunch together. But in India we also celebrated these things now. But some years ago we don't celebrate these things. We have a now we found out for these days because we thought that foreign countries make these things. That's why we also followed them. But according to me, these all are days for those persons who don't have a time for their parents. Some people who lived in a city, they thought that I have not a much time for my parents. Then that day I give time to our parents. Means not every person thought so because they thought that my parents are only, means my mother are only found some gifts. They don't need any other things. In Mother's Day, they bring any a big gift. If somebody has a big job, then they bring a big gift for their mothers, and they go and they give them that gift. But in my opinion, pupils held status and stories on our apps, other apps, which in our social media. They now you watch on social media, everyone put on the, means held the status on stories their phones. Why? Because they showing that I love my mother very much, and many things they try to explain everyone. But you know those pupils who don't give respect to their mother or parents today, they all are had the status and stories on our mother's pics. Then, according to me, these all things are wrong. They all are thought that if any days come, then we do this. But they don't thought that their parents are only need of their time and respect. If we give these things to our parents or mother, then they get a very happy, then a big gift. According to me, because every mother thought that if my child or daughter give me some respect or some time, then it's a big thing for me, means a mother. Because nowadays a lack of time and also a lack of respect for others. We thought that we are very big person. Then why we give respect to any other person? We don't have a much time. Then we save our time from these things. I watch a lot of pupils. They had status on their phones, but in real, if you go at their homes and you lived in together with that person who do this, you realize that thing very well. Means why they doing this? They doing only for showing the respect of their mothers and love for their mothers, but in real they don't do this. They only trying to convince only a pupil who who not pay attention on that. We know how we said a speech. We know very well everything how we said a speech, but we don't know how to follow that things in our life. We only doing these things which we get a famous for that. We don't have a fact of anything. We also thought of only that things which is impressed by pupils. We don't thought that my parents are happy with me or not. We do only that things which is impressed by pupil, which is good for us, not that things which our parents lied or not. This is right. I saw many pupils who do this in many ways. Many pupils who fight with their mothers and said, "What you do in for me in my life? I do everything to myself. Whatever I am now, it's my hard working result. Nothing do by you." But they forget that they never they never buy the love of mother, and they never pay the money of their works, because their works are you buy a company, you buy a jobs, you buy many things, but you never buy a love of any mother, because its money is you buy whole things here. then but you don't buy the love of mother because it's moneyless, because we thought that mother is not a big thing, means it's a too much. Many people thought that mother don't do much thing for us, whatever do only do my father, because they earn money. If they don't earn the money, then how the life is surviving and what we eat to. Father is also do many things, but mother plays a very important role in our life, because mother teach us how to read, how to speak in our area, and how to walk. You know, when we born, then we are too little. We don't know what is right or wrong. We are like a blank page. After some time, we have a lot of things in our mind. We know how to walk, and we know how to speak. First word means mostly child are learns first words about their parents. So it's get by our parents. If we thought that our parents only need our money, then it's absolutely wrong. Money is important, but we fulfill only there's a happiness. We don't satisfy them. If we want to satisfy our parents, then we give our time to them, because they invest a lot of time for us. They invest a lot of time for us because they wanted to you for your some time. After getting a job, we thought that we are very busy. Then how we balance our life with all things. We don't need how much time we spend whole day to our parents. It's not right. But we gave us sometimes for explain ourselves to you and understand what they want to say and what she need to us. So that's it. So happy Mother's Day to all Indian mothers. That's it.